What's up guys? So I stumbled upon a watch that looked like it had a lot of potential. So today I'll be reviewing the Morefit Smartwatch and fitness strap. So it comes in this greyish green box. After removing the top cover, you're shown the actual box, which slides open, revealing a card giving a QR code to ask Morefit helpline. After that, you are greeted by the watch itself, strapped around a small box containing the charger. Right at the bottom of the box you have the manual containing connection, app details, and where the different features on the watch are located. The watch is made out of this heavy metal, making the watch feel decently premium and a bit heavier. The metal is also shiny but doesn't attract many fingerprints as it has this lined texture on top. The strap is decent enough for everyday use, but nothing too special. Something I found weird about the strap is that it has holes on the buckle side of the strap as well. The strap can also be removed, but I recommend only doing that if you're changing the strap, as it is quite difficult to put back. The back of the watch is made out of plastic and has the heart rate sensor, and also has the 2-pin ports for charging the device. Bringing on to the charger, there is this magnetic charger which connects easily to the pins. I will say the magnets aren't that strong, so small movements could disconnect the charger from the watch. Let's move on to the features. It is IP67 waterproof certified, as it said on the back of the watch. The battery life is also good and will probably last you a week depending on your usage, but with my other Morefit watches they have lasted me like 3 weeks, so the batteries are usually good. You can also view your messages on the watch as long as it's connected to your phone. You can also view the weather and get a settings option, which basically has nothing useful. It only gives 3 options: reset, power off, and info. Let's talk about the display. The brightness is really good in most Morefit watches and can be viewed in any type of lighting, but the colours are quite faded out. The display is decently responsive, but in the Amazon photos, which are never accurate, the watch had a mattish display, making it look more like a digital watch. Bringing on to my next point, I thought this watch would be more like a digital watch with smartwatch and fitness tracker capabilities, but this is nowhere near a digital watch. The display is glossy and the dial around the watch doesn't emerge into the experience, as the bezels around the display separate the dial from the display. Also, the wallpapers don't look the same in the pictures or the app as they do on the watch, advertised differently. So I'm just going to say that this is not a digital watch but a smartwatch and a fitness tracker. Also, you can tap the display for it to wake up, and it also has wrist sensing capabilities. It also comes with an attached screen protector, which is great as the display could get scratched, as it is a fitness tracker, and I would recommend leaving it on. Also, the dials don't actually scroll, they just turn on the device or take you to the specific page. Swipe right to access most features on the watch, from fitness features to smartwatch features. Swipe up to view your messages. Swipe left to see fitness ring and many other fitness features. Swipe down to see brightness option, settings, and find phone, which if you tap vibrates your phone. Another thing I don't like about this watch is that you can't access a lot of things on the actual watch, like turning off vibration, and you have to go onto the actual app to access those features. Holding on the current watch face allows you to choose between 7 watch faces on the device. One of them can be a custom one and the rest are fully downloaded on the device. I don't really like that, as I wish you could do at least 2 watch faces that you could pick from the app saved onto the watch, but unfortunately only 1. Now let's move on to the fitness features. So if you tap the top dial with the red ring around it, it will take you to the page with 23 sport options. If you click one, then the stopwatch will start tracking your BPM and calories burned and distance travelled and time taken to travel that distance. Then when the timer turns off, it gives full feedback about the exercise. Then this fitness ring, definitely not copied off somewhere. It also claims to track your sleep, heart rate, and blood pressure. This watch also tells the time. Moving on to the app. I don't like the layout and design of the app. It feels a bit second standard, but definitely usable. The first page tells you a bit about your fitness. The next page shows you a map, which if you allow GPS will track where you are walking, running, etc. I don't know if it will use the GPS on your phone or has one in the watch, but I suspect it will use your phone's GPS, which could be a big problem, as then to track where you are running, you could also need to take your phone. It also gives you target settings and sport settings, and you can add the modes you want to use. The third, and in my opinion the most important page, where it gives you your watch settings like notifications and what you'd like to see, alarm, how long your display should stay on after it turning on. Also has this feature which I wish my other Morefit had, do not disturb, which you can set a start and finish time and what to turn off during this period. as then you can have specific times when you want to block yourself from the world. Also on this page you can change your watch faces, and it has 43 watch faces and you can make custom ones. Then on the last page it just gives you account settings and goals. Anyways, if the features and design is what you're looking for, this would be a great buy, coming in around £32 at the time of recording. But I do recommend checking out my other Morefit video. Is quite similar with few differences and better colours on the display, coming in at like £33. On both these watches the prices do decrease on Amazon. For example, when I ordered this watch it came around £40, but the price has decreased since then, so definitely go check out that video. But anyways, this is the end of the video. If you like this type of content, make sure to subscribe and turn on all notifications. And make sure you leave a comment down below on any video recommendations or any questions you have about this actual product. Thanks for watching, stay safe, peace, bye.